Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Negro, and I am back with another video. Look what a subscriber sent me. Alright, y'all, now before we get into this box right here, I'm very excited about getting into that box. But before we get into that, I have to inform you guys, for anybody that didn't watch my last video, there is a $50 gift card, Nike gift card giveaway going on. All you have to do is follow the instructions in the Gleam link. It'll be the first thing down in the description below. Hit that link. It's very simple to enter. All you gotta do is be subscribed to my channel, subscribe to the Real Emize channel, and follow us both on our Instagram. That's it. If you're already doing that, you're already entered. Just make sure you enter your name into the little raffle, and in about 10 to 12 days or something like that, the raffle is over. $50 gift card is yours if you're the winner. So I had to let y'all know that. It's only fair that I let y'all know every time I upload a video until the raffle is over that it's still going on. I want as many people to have an opportunity to see the link as possible. So tell a friend to tell a friend, subscribe to our channels, join the movement, and then you can get into that. Now, without any further ado, I'm gonna have a little story time while I'm unboxing this. This comes all the way from Hawaii. Let me see exactly which part of Hawaii and if I can even pronounce it. Oh, it says Honolulu. So it's coming from Honolulu, Hawaii, from a subscriber of mine. I'm also subscribed to, he's a YouTuber as well. And he had a little giveaway on his channel, man. He's giving away a pair of Air Force Ones, just to let you guys know, to kill the suspense. It's not my size though, which is okay, because I'm going to re-gift these to my nephew, who is a size 10. And it's just a blessing, man, to that's why I tell you guys all the time, people don't just say it just to say it. Sometimes it works out to your benefit. Even if you're gonna watch a video anyway, to hit that notification bell. Hit the notification bell. He had a little raffle going on where he wanted to know what's the longest word in the Hawaiian dictionary. So I have a cousin that was born in Hawaii. So I hit him up. He texted back to me immediately.
Humu humu nuku nuku apua'a.
And then I put it in. He said I won. Man of his word. They got here in 3 days from Hawaii. So put y'all notification bells on, man. You never know. You might not just be watching the video. You might be entered into a $50 gift card giveaway. You might be entered into free sneakers. So let's see what we got. It says Air Force 107s LV8 UV. I don't know what the UV stands for. Ultraviolet, size 10. Colors are cyber and cyber white. I already know because on his page what these look like, and comes with the actual foot action receipt intact. Not bad. And I don't know if my lighting is going to allow you guys to get a good look at these. These are DS. But as you can see, you got your cyber green, your Volt green all over. I hope the light isn't washing those out. But all Volt green, lime green laces, and your white outsole. Completely free. Didn't even have to pay shipping it or anything, man. Size 10 from my boy E Money Shoes, man. Go subscribe to his channel. I'm going to put the link to his channel down in the description below. But not just for this, man, but everything that he's trying to do with the smaller YouTubers and bringing the community, this YouTube community together, because it's been going through a little turmoil over the past few months. I'm sure if you guys watching other videos, you'll know what's going on. But we don't do that on this channel. I stay positive at all times. We only talking about sneakers, man. This is material stuff. I'm not getting into no fake beef over it or anything like that. And this is the type of stuff that brings people together, not just giving away free sneakers, but being positive. You know what I'm saying? We communicate with each other. We talk to each other on Instagram all the time, different things like that. Shouting each other out in our videos. It's all about growth, man. That's my motto for 2019 is growth. And on YouTube, as a father, and everything else in between. So shout out to E-Money Shoes. They have arrived safe and sound here in Columbus, Ohio. Salute to you. Appreciate you again, big bro. And I'm sure I shouldn't even have said who I'm giving them to, because he's gonna watch this video. I'll try to get these to him tonight before these upload, or it'll blow the surprise. But either way, they're going to him. They're going to a good home, man. Thank you again to E-Money Shoes. But I do want to talk about something else now that these are out of the way. I want to talk about a couple of the releases that are coming up for next month, man. It's Black History Month is February is coming up in a couple days, and it's about to be crazy. All right, guys, so I'm trying to run through these pretty quickly if I can. There's a few shoes coming out, quite a few shoes coming out next month. So I'm gonna start right off. I'm gonna start with Nike first. I'm gonna do Nike and Jordan brand, but I'm gonna start off with Nike first. On February 1st, you got your, what are they, the Northern Lights, the Air Max 720s. And I'm not gonna stay on these too long, man. I am not a fan of this model at all. I know a lot of people, it's the new thing, it's the new wave, kinda, you know, the 720 Air Bubble. And I don't like the silhouette at all. I don't like anything about the model. I don't like the uppers. I don't like the Air Bubble. But that's just me. I don't like the up tempo thing that they're about to start trying to do with the Air Bubble. Trash. But that's February 1st. Just had to get that out of the way because I know a lot of people are going to go for it. Some people like it. Some people hate it. I'm the latter. All right, on the next day, February 2nd, we're going to have the LeBron 3s, the Super Bron retro, and then you're also going to have the LeBron 3 home quick strikes, the white, black, and red joints from the Cleveland Cavs days. Those are both going to be $175. I initially was going to go for one of those. If I was to go for them at all, it would be to make a couple dollars off of them, because I don't think there's so much coming out. I can't see myself spending almost $200 on the LeBron 3 right now, regardless of the colorway. It could have been anything, but with everything else that they got lined up for February, it's going to be a pass for me, even though I like the sneaker. All right, a few days later on February 7th, we have what's alleged to be the last release of the Off-White Nike collab. Who knows if that's true or not. But on February 7th, we got the Air Max 90, the Desert Ore colorway, which is the tan, and then you got the all black colorway. Both, I think they're $160. Those are probably going to be a draw. I'm sure on the sneakers app. I will be going for those. I've never, people love Air Max 90s. I've owned a few pair of Air Max 90s. Matter of fact, I got an old pair. Oh. These multicolor, I've had for years. I've had these since 2013. I'm about to just give them away or probably donate them. So I don't like, that's probably the only pair that I like. I just don't like, it's something about it. I do not like Air Max 90s. I like 95s, I like Air Max 1s. It doesn't even matter, I'm just rambling. But I'm gonna go for those, but not for the personal. I haven't hit on anything but the UNC, the Jordan 1 UNC's Off-Whites. Other than that, I haven't had any luck. But I'm gonna try to go for either one of those colorways and then try to make a couple dollars off of it and hopefully get something in February to actually do one. All right, only two more on the list, for at least for Nike, for the month of February that I'm going to put on my list. You got another, one of these, another Element coming out. I think it's like a blue tint. It's like a light blue colorway, and they're just gonna start pumping. It's just like anything else. They're just gonna push through a bunch of different colorways. I'm not gonna be going for those. I think those will be $160 on the 15th, but you like it, I love it. Now on the 17th, they have the Nike Adapt basketball, and those are the ones, if you don't already know, the ones that have the automatic lacing system that like kind of conforms to your foot on its own. You can control it through your phone and all that other stuff. That's coming out on the 17th for $350 American dollars USD. No thanks. But I mean, they look a lot. I mean, they look a lot better than the first initial ones that I've seen a couple years ago, or however long ago. The Nike Adapt, and they were selling for they wanted like $700 for them. Anyway, those come out on the 17th, $300. Hey. Alright, I'm gonna try to run through these Jordans pretty quickly. On the 2nd of February, you got the Black History Month Jordan 1 mids, I believe, coming out for $120. Now, as far as what I seen, Foot Action, there's only 2 Foot Actions to get them in the country again. They're making them extremely limited as far as what I've seen as of when I'm shooting this video. It was in Chicago and out in LA. Only 2 stores were getting them for some reason at Foot Action. And I'm sure they'll obviously probably be on all the Black History Month releases, be on the Nike Sneakers app. I don't know if that'll add any extra hype to the release because they're so limited, but I know a lot of people also don't like mids. So I don't know. But those are coming out on the 2nd for $120. Alright, so the next 2 releases that also come out on the 2nd is going to be the Black History Month Jordan 2s. I'm not a fan of Jordan 2s. I do like the colors on this, like everybody's calling them the Wakanda 2s. I like the colors, but I don't like the silhouette, so I will not be going for those. Those come out on the 2nd. You also have the Laneys coming out on the 2nd. I was initially going to go for those. They were supposed to release days ago, but they pushed the release back to the 2nd. But I don't think I am. Maybe I'm not gonna go for those. There's too much money to be saved and too much money to be spent in the month of February for me to add a Laney. Like the white originals, yes. The new ones, I like them, but I don't love them, so I'm not spending my money on them. All right, coming in only 3 days later at a whopping $250 American dollars. Chinese New Year 12s. I will be getting a few pair of those, but I'm going to be getting for family and friends. I have to see them in person to know if it's something that I really want. I'm not really a huge fan of like the material on the uppers, even though like you can cut it away and the material underneath and all of that. I don't like the silky type material. Like I'd rather just have a regular Jordan 12. I like leather uppers on my sneakers, but that's just me. So those will be coming out for $250. There you go. Now initially this next one was going to be a cop for me. I am going to be getting a pair, but my homeboy wanted a pair. He won't be able to go. He already knows that he won't be able to get the Jordan 9s, the UNC 9s. I'm going to get his pair for him, so I'll probably do a little mall vlog and pick up. I don't know if they're going to be first come first serve. If not, I'll do a live cop on the app. But I'm going to get those for him. But the only reason I'm not getting them, I like 9s. I have the Olive 9s. I have these Kobe PE 9s. I like 9s. A lot of people don't. But the only reason I'm not getting them is because the way Jordan Brand done line up these next 3 releases I'm about to talk about, I can't add a 9 into that, man. I gotta find a way to put all this money together to get these next few. All right. So these next 3 releases are ridiculous. The 14th, 15th, and 16th all have Jordan Brand releases on them. The 14th is the patent, the UNC color, the Blue Chill Jordan 1s. That's a must-have for me. I wear 10.5. So even though it's a woman's release, I have to have those. I think a few places around me is going to be getting. I know Finish Line for sure is getting them in 2 different spots. I got to find a way to get my hands on those. I like the way those look. Those are the 14th. Now the 15th is the Turbo Green Air Jordan 1s are coming out the very next day. If I skip on any of these next 3, it's going to be the Turbo Greens, just because I was lucky enough to get the Crimsons. I want them both, but we'll see. So on the 16th or the 15th, it's going to be the green Turbo Green Air Jordan 1s, And on the 16th, y'all already know what the 16th is. It was the Jordan 6 infrared. So 14, 15, 16, 160, 160, 200. Y'all add it up, plus tax. So I'm going to get out of here on that. I just wanted to run through a few of February's releases. Happy Black History Month to everybody, even though I celebrate Black History 12 months a year. I love all you guys. Obi!